official weather statement from the National Weather Service. A line of snow showers will affect northwestern Trumbull, Erie, Geauga, Cuyahoga, northern Medina, Lake, northern Summit, Lorain, Ashtabula, Erie and Crawford counties until 10:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, radar indicated snow showers along a line extending from near Clymer to Vermilion, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazards include visibility dropping to less than 3/4 of a mile at times, up to 1 inch of quick snow accumulation. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Erie, Lorain, Elyria, Painesville, Ashtabula, Willowick, Meadville, Conneaut, Vermilion, Western Vermilion, Chardon, Fairport Harbor, Geneva on the Lake, Parma, Lakewood, Euclid, Mentor, Cleveland Heights, and Strongsville. Use extra caution if you must travel. Rapid changes in visibility and potentially slick roads may lead to accidents.